You'll see I've got a number of tabs open here. Managing tabs is a core part of the Chrome experience, so it's important to learn how to do it well. You can move tabs left or right by simply picking them up and sliding them with your mouse. Move one to the other side and so on. Put them in any order you like. You can also drag tabs away. This is easier to see if I make this window slightly smaller. I can take this classroom tab and drag it away with my mouse and separate it into its own tab. If I'd like to put it back, I simply pick it up by its tab, drag it close to the other window, and it snaps back into place. One of the neat things you can do when you do drag a tab out, let's just drag that out again, is you can name the tab. You can do that by going to the three dots here to More Tools and name the window. Now, when I name the window, and I might just call this School Stuff, you'll see that now if I was to go back to this other window and I wanted to move something here, say this ABC Kids window, I want to move that to the same place, I can right-click on it and say Move tab to the other window, and you'll notice that it's moving to the one I named called School Stuff. And it will pop over there. And you can move tabs back and forward really easily simply by either dragging them or by right-clicking on their tab and saying Move to the other window and choosing which one you want to move to. And it will shift them around.